Imagine finishing an entire day's work in just 10 minutes. It sounds impossible, but thanks to AI, it's becoming reality in 2020s and 26.
Today, I'll show you 10 incredible AI tools that are transforming the way people work, create, and earn money.
Make sure you stay until the end, because the #1 AI tool is absolutely mind-blowing.
At number 10 is ChatGPT, one of the smartest AI assistants for writing, coding, brainstorming, and learning.
Millions of students, freelancers, and business owners use ChatGPT every day to save valuable time.
At number 9 is Gamma AI. It creates beautiful presentations in just a few seconds.
Forget spending hours designing slides. Gamma AI does the hard work for you. At number 8 is ElevenLabs, the AI voice generator that sounds almost exactly like a real human.
Content creators around the world are using it to produce professional voiceovers in minutes.
Yuri's Comber Tom, if you were starting your comfort tription. The Kami and Risquements, for stylize and effects. It's HinStuffX.
At number 7 is NotebookLM by Google. It can read long documents, summarize them, and even answer questions about them.
Instead of spending hours reading, you get the key points instantly. It's perfect for students and researchers.
At number 6 is Midjourney, one of the most powerful AI image generators available today.
Designers, marketers, and YouTubers use Midjourney to create eye-catching visuals in minutes. At number 5 is Suno AI, a tool that can generate complete songs from just a simple text prompt.
Whether you need background music or a full song, Suno AI can do it in just a few minutes.
At number 4 is Runway AI, a powerful platform for editing and generating professional quality videos.
Tasks that once required professional editors can now be completed with just a few clicks.
At number 3 is Google Veo, an AI model that creates realistic videos from simple text prompts. This technology is changing filmmaking and content creation faster than ever before.
At number 2 is OpenAI Sora. Just type a simple prompt and it can generate realistic, cinematic videos in minutes.
Instead of opening dozens of websites, you can get organized answers in one place. These AI tools aren't replacing human creativity. They're helping people work faster and smarter. The people who learn AI today will have a huge advantage in tomorrow's job market. So which AI tool impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. My favorite is definitely this one.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI content every week.
This is NextMind AI, bringing you the latest AI tools, breakthroughs, and future technologies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.